Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and connection. Make sure the battery is above 50% or plug in, and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges. Once done, open Settings and go straight to System or About Phone. That's where Update controls live. You do this because updates require power and reliable download speeds. Skipping these risks failure or partial installs. Now tap Software Update or System Update to begin the active check process. Do not tap unrelated menus. You tap Check for updates and wait patiently while the device queries the server. This can take a minute. Once it reports an available update, read the changelog or details so you understand fixes or breaking changes. If the phone warns about storage, free at least 1 GB by removing large files or uninstalling unused apps before proceeding. You do this to prevent install errors. Once storage and requirements are satisfied, choose Download and Install to start the transfer. You tap Install Now or schedule a convenient time. The phone will download, verify, and reboot to complete the firmware update. After the reboot, return to About Phone and confirm the new build number and security patch date to verify success. If installation fails, first reboot and retry the check. If that fails, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try again, or clear the OTA cache and recovery mode. This troubleshooting path fixes most transient download or verification errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.